Hello! This is Aziza here, which you might already know if you've been here before. Sorry, I had a smoothie this morning and it had coconut oil in it, and I think coconut oil like makes my throat really raw somehow. Anyway, welcome back. This is an unboxing of sorts again. You know what? It's actually Mailbox goodies. Welcome to Mailbox goodies, and today I'm going to be sharing 3 pens that I received from Appelboom Pennen in the Netherlands, and these are for review purposes, so I will have reviews coming up on my blog and on Instagram and stuff, but for now we can just take a look at the fun goodies that they are. And I was not paid to do this. This is just for fun, and I hope you enjoy. Because I like seeing new pens and stuff. I get excited when people post their stuff online. So anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's get cracking. Let's take a look at what we have. First up, this one will come as no surprise. We have the new Lamy All-Star. This is the 2018 special edition color, which is vibrant pink. Ta. Now, I'm not really sure. I'm looking at the screen here and I'm trying to see how well this is being depicted as vibrant pink. I have to say, I was not expecting this color. I was expecting a more vibrant color, because to me this is sort of like a aluminum pink raspberry color. This is the vibrant ink swab that the vibrant pink ink swab. I'm trying to make this visible in a way that's not going to be horribly blinding, but this is, it's just they're not the same color. So I don't know. I personally prefer the Safaris because I like the plastic feel of the body, oddly. And the All-Star is aluminum, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about the vibrant pink. I'm not sure they, Lamy got it right this time, because the last 2 years was the dark lilac and the petrol, which I thought were fantastic. And those were the Safaris. The colors were, for the All-Star, last year was the Pacific blue color, which was a gorgeous turquoise, which I think was a lot more vibrant and nice. So I don't know how I feel about this one. Again, my camera does not show the picture, the color of this properly, I think, but I'll have pictures of it online. You could take a look. I don't know, what do you think? Do you have the vibrant pink? Is it vibrant? I just feel like it's not vibrant pink enough. But that's okay. Moving on. The next pen was a Faber-Castell in a nice simple cardboard box. Now, this one is the new Loom. It is called, I have it written here because I wasn't entirely sure. Okay, this is the metallic gunmetal. So it's a bit, again, I was surprised. It's a bit different to the Loom that I'm used to, because I used to have one of the the piano colors, the lacquered ones, and it's just, it feels different, and I feel like I don't have it anymore. I sold it years ago because I thought I didn't need it anymore, and as it turns out I really miss it. But I thought the caps were metal, and this one feels like plastic, so I'm not entirely sure. It's a very attractive pen. It looks really cool. It has that little dip that I like. This is the little valley of comfort that I like to pet. And I don't know. It really does look cool. I like the color. I like this. This reminds me of the Lamy 2000, their anniversary black amber color, which it's just too expensive for me. But at least I didn't want to spend that much on that particular pen. But I like the color a lot. But the cap, it doesn't feel the same anymore. I really thought they were metal caps, which is not a bad thing, because now when it's posted it's more comfortable. But anyway, this is not supposed to be a review. It's supposed to be just an unboxing. So let's move on. The last pen, the last one, is also a Faber-Castell. So it's a little bit fancier. And this one, let me make sure I get the name right again. This is the, I know I've reviewed the OpArt Ambition before, but this one is the Flamingo finish, which is really cute. It has like a pattern in it that's engraved into the body. It's really pretty. Sorry, it's so yellow in here. I can't get the lighting right, sorry. Anyway, it's a very cute pen. Unfortunately, I have a lot of issues with this particular model, but we can discuss those later. in the actual review. Just wanted to show you. It's cute. So these are the 3 pens I've got to check out. And yeah, I'm just trying to recap this here. And here they are. So it is the basic in gunmetal and metallic gunmetal. And then the Lamy All-Star in vibrant pink, and the Faber-Castell OpArt Ambition in Flamingo. So those are fun. Pretty, like all 3 are pretty affordable. So I think they'll be fun for testing out and stuff. I've definitely reviewed many All-Stars, but I like to check them out to see what the new color is like, because they're only available for the year and then they eventually disappear. I've reviewed the OpArt before in a different finish and I believe a different nib, but I have not reviewed this one as yet, so this should be fun to check out. So my friends, that's pretty much it. It was a very short mailbox goodies, but just in case you were interested, in case it's fun, in case you're bored, just want something to watch. Hopefully it was sort of fun and entertaining. So thank you to Appelboom for sending these for review. I really much appreciate it because it allows me to review things that, you know, I can't purchase every pen that everybody requests for review, of course. So, I mean, I could, but then I would only have pens that everybody else wants me to review and not pens that I want to review. So enough of my chit chat. Thank you for joining. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and you can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all that stuff as Gourmet Pens, and we will see you next time. Bye. Ta-ta. See you later, dude. And if you are a Finding Nemo fan, you will recognize that. See you later, dude. So see ya later, dude.